sa'yo, and kamusta ang experience? Ano po ang mas mahirap, umarte o maging direktor? So let's start with who influenced you or dati mo bang naisip?
Reg, ganda ng mga tanong. Never ko naisip na maging director talaga kasi alam ko iba siya, ibang animal, kumbaga, ibang craft, it's something that I did not really aspire to be, but at the same time, nung bata ko, I didn't really aspire to be an actor. Wala talaga yan sa
Basketball ang gusto mo?
Yes, basketball or papasok ko sa militar. Nasa dalawa lang yun. But of course, when an opportunity so good is handed to you, and it was handed to me 19 years naman in my career. So ako naman, wala naman ako film school na attendant, but I'm a very observant person, and I listen to the directors and I see them how they work for the past 19 years. Not saying na nandun ako sa level nila, I have so much to learn, but itong first step talagang mas tumaas pa yung respeto ko sa kanila because it's not an easy job. Mahirap siya. You are the captain of the ship, ikaw yung leader. May pressure ka from the production, of course, kasi we're working with limited time.
Right.
Minsan yung location, minsan yung artista. So, when you put all of that together and the director has to produce something na at least quality sana, it's very hard. But I enjoyed my experience. Ang dami ko pong natutunan and I've learned a lot through this whole process at sobrang thankful ako.
Yung next part ng question niya is, ano yung mas nagustuhan mo o mas mahirap, umarte o mag-direct?
Sabay ko ginawa sa 2 or 3 araw na yun eh. Sabay ko ginawa kaya mahirap talaga. Isa sa mga gusto ko mangyari, gusto ko po makapag-direct in the future, but hindi na ako yung artista. I would like to do that kasi parang syempre gusto ko rin i-test yung sarili ko. But they're different, mahirap. Kumbaga siguro para sa isang director, sasabihin ng director parang hindi ko forte umarte or parang mahirap din yan. Ganon din kapag yung actor ay papasok sa directing chair. It's hard. Mag-iiba sila. Hindi porket magaling kang marunong umarte or magaling kang umarte, kaya mo mag-direct. They're two different things. But I think what I do have na natutunan ko sa mga magulang ko from yung nanay ko and from my dad, I think just being a natural leader, not for your ego, but to bring the team or to lead them, the cameraman, everybody has their own specialties. You writers, producers, cameraman, everyone, and I think I have a talent of bringing that together and making something good. So yun lang yung tingin ko meron ako. But everything else, I really will follow, and parang naman ako sponge, mabilis ako mag-absorb, and I love to learn.
And yung other